How to change email in Nintendo account. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guys show the steps on how you can change email in Nintendo account. Well, to change email in Nintendo account, what you can do is you can proceed to head into accounts.nintendo.com on any web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Then head over to account settings. Once you're on the account settings, you can see user information, you can see sign in and security and various options, right? You can head into here to sign in and security option and then tap on the email address there. Once you tap on email address, you'll have to enter in your password here and then it should log in here. And then you can see to proceed, you must verify your email address. So you want to proceed to tap on submit. Then it'll send you the verification code. And once you enter in that verification code, you'll get the option to enter in your new email address. And once you enter in your email address, select submit again, and it'll send a verification code to your new email address. And then you'll be able to verify it. This is how you can change email in Nintendo account. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.